Hi, welcome to iMarketer Training. This course is intended for any startups, entrepreneurs, online marketers, and anyone who's launching campaigns or advertising online. My name is Jack, and I'll be presenting this course on behalf of our team of online marketing experts. So, let's get started. You've probably noticed that most of online marketing is based on JV partners, which actually is a great way to build business. However, the system is not sustainable in the long run because you're on the constant struggle of finding new partners and at the same time working with old ones. It almost feels like you have no control over your business and you are at somebody else's mercy because somebody else is helping you to build and promote your business. That's the main reason why you should start applying these advertising techniques that I'm going to introduce in this tutorial, so then it will help you to autopilot and leverage your business effectively. But before I dive into these techniques, I would like to remind you that in our current digital world, your audience is not like before. They don't engage via only one platform. Let me give you an example. They can start browsing your product on a mobile in the morning, then afternoon switch to a laptop or iPad and end up actually buying your product on a desktop computer or sign up on a mobile. So remember, nobody uses one platform anymore, and your content must be optimized for all these devices. But there is a way to reach out to your audience that doesn't matter what device they're using or where they are right now, and you can be 100% sure that they will get your message in front of them, unlike email marketing that cannot guarantee you open rates or click-through rates high enough as these techniques. So here they are, and the first one is Google with the technique of remarketing. Google says remarketing is a feature that lets you reach people who have previously visited your site and show them relevant ads across the web or when they search on Google. When people leave your site without buying anything, for example, remarketing helps you connect with these potential customers again. You can even show them a tailored message or offer that will encourage them to return to your site and complete a purchase. You can use remarketing to match the right message to the right people at the right time. All that you need to do is add a piece of code, a remarketing tag, to all the pages on your site. Then, when shoppers come to your site, they'll be added to your remarketing lists. You can later reach out to those potential buyers while they search on Google or browse other websites. So, consider this. Google's ad retargeting tool is a powerful internet marketing technique because it allows you to stay connected with your target audience even after they leave your site, and it is a great way to generate more conversions.